Number 64, find the slope of the line. Well, we have 2 points on that line. Let's look at our 2 points first. One of the points is 8 up there, isn't it? It's up there on the y-axis at 8. That's called the y-intercept. But it's a point, and when we have a point like that, we can find the slope. The other point is 2, 0. It's the x-intercept. It's, like I say again, it's just a point. It's a point on the x-axis, maybe the x-intercept, but it is a point. Now let's look at our basic equation here. We don't really have to think about the y2 and y1 and x2 and x1. Let's just plug in points here. How much did it rise? How much does it rise? It looks like from the red point to the what is that, a blue point? From the red point to the blue point, it looks like it went up 8 here. And it looks like it went over 2. Now, if you can point with the left hand upward like this, with your left hand, if you point upward that way with your left hand, that's a negative slope. If the graph were going like this, to the right, that'd be a positive slope. So this is going to be a negative slope. Looks like this is going to be 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up here. And it's going to be 2 to the left. So you're going to have 8 on the top and 2 on the bottom. But let's use our equation here. We'll plug the point y here and x. This is my second point or my first point, regardless, whatever. Well, let's use the 8, 0 here. Y is going to be 8. X is going to be 0, so we'll plug that in there. Now y on the second point is going to be 0, and the x is going to be 2. So the 0 is going to go on the top, and the 2 is going to go on the bottom. Now when we subtract those, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 0 minus 2 is a negative 2. So I'm getting 8 over negative 2, so we're going to have a negative 4 over 1. Now let's look at that. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes over 1. You're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. That's the same thing as going up 8 and over 2. So it looks like the slope is negative 4. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So the line has a slope of negative 4.